I have a newfound love for this particular vegetable. This is a kaleette. It's a cross between kale and Brussels sprouts, and they're so sweet, tender and nutty. You can eat them raw, so just chop them up as if you were putting it into a coleslaw, or you can boil them, you can roast them in the oven. But I'm going to show you something a little different. I'm going to show you how to make creamed kalettes. So you can finely chop it with a knife, or I'm going to place the whole packet, so about 160 grams, into a food processor. And I'm just going to pulse this 6 to 7 times until it's really fine. So we want everything chopped up. Oh, so much easier in a food processor because look how finely chopped everything is. And I love that purple tinge of the kalettes. So I'll take the blade out, and into my pan I have 1 French shallot that I've finely chopped and some garlic, and I've just been softening it gently until it's golden brown in some olive oil. So in with our chopped kalettes, and we want to coat the chopped kaleette in that yummy shallot and garlic mixture. You can add a pinch of salt, and I'm going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes or until it softens. This is cooked down nicely, so we'll add our cream. You want about 200 mils of thickened cream. It's a lot of cream, but this is a decadent side dish. Mix it through. I'll add a pinch of salt and some mustard, just some Dijon mustard to make it extra rich, and a pinch of nutmeg. So now this just needs to bubble away for a further 4 to 5 minutes or until all of that cream has thickened up nicely. This is looking good now. You can see a lot of that cream has reduced. It's thick and rich, and you can see why it gets its name, creamed kalettes. So we'll pop that into a bowl, and that is a delicious, decadent side served with a beautiful vegetable. You can see that it's very versatile. A perfect side to serve with fish, chicken, or even better, roast beef or a steak.